A very warm welcome to tech mining. It is common practice for organizations to close those fiscal periods for which they are sure to receive no more data. This process is usually referred to as month closure. The main purpose of this process is to prevent data manipulation in a closed month. In this video, you will create this feature first by creating some procedures to mark a fiscal period as closed and then modifying the main transaction interfaces to apply the desired data security. Start creating this process. Download source code from video description, open part 23 folder, you'll get the code of all files used in the video. The select list page item is populated with the 12 fiscal periods of the current company. Add an interactive report region to display a list of unverified vouchers. It is being added as a precautionary measure to inform the user about the vouchers that are unverified in the system prior to executing the month closure process. It is good practice to verify all vouchers before closing a month, because vouchers cannot be modified after the month has been closed. Run the page from the month closing option in the main menu. Select the first month, July, from the select list. You'll see the payment vouchers, if it is still unverified, which you created in part 14 video. This validation check whether the selected month is not already closed. This process will mark the selected month as closed. Rerun the segment and click the Close Month button. You should see the success message. Click the button again. This time you'll get a message, "Cannot proceed with this process because the selected month is already marked as closed." The message confirms that the month has been marked as closed. After marking a month as closed, no one is allowed to manipulate data in that month. Implement these following securities. Edit page 42, Vouchers, and add the hidden item which stores the closing status of the current month. This step will hide the Create button on page 42, to disallow the creation of new vouchers, if the month is marked as closed. Repeat the same steps on the Voucher Details page, page 43, to disallow modification and deletion in a closed month. Run the Vouchers page now. You won't see the Create button, which means that the users cannot create a new voucher in a closed month. In the same way, you also have hidden Delete, Save, and Create buttons on the Voucher Details page, page 43. After executing the month closing process, users cannot add, modify, or delete any voucher in a closed month. This way, the historical data is protected from any kind of manipulation. In the next video, you will create 2 year-end processes to close a fiscal year either temporarily or permanently. Thank you for watching the video.